You're starting a business in Tennessee? Well, you're in the right place. An LLC is one of the best ways to protect your personal assets while giving your business structure and credibility. And the good news is the process in Tennessee is pretty straightforward. So with that, in this video, we're gonna walk through it step by step. Before you do anything else, you will need a name for your LLC. And Tennessee has a few simple rules. It has to be unique, and it must include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or L.L.C. You can check if your name is available using the Tennessee Business Name Search tool. Now, if you're not quite ready to file, that is no problem. You can reserve your name for 120 days for just $20. That's a great way to hold your spot while you prep everything else. Your registered agent is the person or company that will receive legal and government documents on behalf of your business. They must have a physical address in Tennessee and be available during regular business hours. You can serve as your own registered agent if you're comfortable with that, but many business owners hire a professional service for privacy and peace of mind. If you go that route, expect to pay around $99 to $299 per year. This is where your LLC becomes official. To form an LLC in Tennessee, you need to file articles of organization with the Secretary of State. You can file online or by mail. And now here's where Tennessee is just a little different. Your filing fee depends on how many members your LLC has. It's $50 per member with a minimum of $300 and a maximum of $3,000. So if you're a single member LLC, you will pay $300. But if you have 4 partners, it's still $300. But if you have more than 6, the fee goes up accordingly. This one is technically optional, but highly recommended. An operating agreement outlines how your LLC will be managed, how decisions are made, and what happens if someone leaves the business. Even if you're a one-person operation, having this document helps establish your business as a real, separate entity, and that matters when it comes to legal protection. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is basically your business's social security number. You will need one to open a business bank account, to file federal taxes, and hire employees. Now, the good news is it is completely free and only takes a few minutes to apply on the IRS website. Once your LLC is filed, you can request a certificate of existence from the Tennessee Secretary of State. It costs just $20 and can be very helpful if you're applying for business loans or licenses. So there you have it, how to start an LLC in Tennessee without getting overwhelmed. From naming your business to filing your documents and staying compliant, now you've got a clear roadmap. And if you want help making it even easier, here at Simplify LLC, we take care of the filings, deadlines, and fine print so that you can focus on launching and growing your business. Just head over to simplifyllc.com and get started today. And if this guide helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We're here to help all the time. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.